My name is Mary Ellen Robinson. I am the assistant principal at West Chatham Middle School here in Pooler, Georgia, where Wildcats always roar. We are, in honor of Black History Month today, are celebrating our favorite recipes. And I am making Mary's mac and cheese. Yes, I am. Who doesn't love a good macaroni and cheese? Warm, comforting, ready for you to dig in. My family loves macaroni and cheese. It's always been a staple on the Sunday dinner table. It is quick, easy, but it fills the need. So, join us today as we make mac and cheese.